Go sit on the couch and put on these 3D glasses.
You gotta sit on the couch and put these 3D glasses on?
Yeah, I'll be on there with the presentation.
Okay, all of our glasses are on. Hit it.
Alex Search Digital Productions presents Silly String.
Oh, fuck. Alex, this is a $3,000 fucking jacket. What are you doing?
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here with Tana. You may know her from possibly having sex with her, or you may know her from YouTube. Where do people know you more from?
Just probably the same.
Yeah. Today we're surprising Ashley and Lola for their Sweet 16. I hope you're excited to see her. We should catch up. Tana, how have you been?
I've been all right. I've been pretty good.
What have you been up to?
Everything, David. I don't know.
Really?
Life, making YouTube videos.
It's amazing. Stop staring at my lips.
I wasn't.
Alright, let's go.
Special guest, open that door, let me see.
Come on, let's get let's get and while I get let's get and while I get
Hell yeah. Trisha, have you ever had Five Guys?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
You've eaten there?
They be in here.
Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! That's my assistant Natalie. Coincidentally, she's also my childhood friend and former next door neighbor. But now she works for me.
Ew, oh my god. What is that? Oh my god, David! Oh my god!
Today is Natalie's birthday, so I decided to get her something nice. What's up, guys? So SeatGeek is an amazing app that helps you buy tickets in literally the easiest way possible. You've seen them help me surprise my friends with brand new cars. Take them.
Kidding?
Take them.
Which one?
So today, SeatGeek is gonna help me surprise Natalie with a brand new car. Please, if you ever need to buy tickets to literally anything, click the link in my description, use a promo code David, and you'll get $20 off your first purchase. So today we have two things on the agenda. Surprise Natalie with a new car, and do the live show. There are a lot of people out there, Scott. Holy cow, look at that. You ready for this? It's a big moment.
Yeah.
All right, break a leg out there, buddy.
Fuck you, David.
Okay. Bye, Scott.
Everybody come and say shit like to my sky.
We have a live show. We're all going to it. We're all gonna cram into two cars.
We're gonna miss it if you don't fucking explain this.
Okay, we'll take Natalie's car and then we can take Natalie's second car too.
What?
Don't do that. I'm gonna cry. No, I'm crying.
Happy birthday, Natalie. Natalie was so mad I was ignoring her all birthday.
I really get the worst best friend ever. I can't breathe.
If you don't want, I'll fucking take it.
David, why? Oh my god, David. What the fuck? I don't feel like this is mine. Cause I feel like you wouldn't do something this nice. Oh my god, everybody's like staring at me.
I told everyone, I'm like, she's not gonna talk. She doesn't say anything ever.
I can't breathe.
Were you mad that I didn't do anything for your birthday? I didn't say anything?
I was just mad that I thought you didn't know it was my birthday. Now I like feel really bad because I've been like, fuck David. I'll give you a hug. Thank you.
Is this gonna make you work harder or less?
Ask Natalie what she just said.
What? What did she just say?
She goes, I quit.